Okay, are you ready for some examples with the return statement? Alrighty then, in the exercise project, right-click on the branching package and select New Class, and specify the class name as return statement, and select the checkbox for the main method. So first we use a return statement in the switch case statement. And we'll declare a variable k with the initial value 1. The conditional switch expression is variable k. So we have two case values. First is 1. And if the value of the variable is 1, then we will print 1 to the console. And then we add the break statement. So now let's copy the code and then change the case value. And if the value is 2, then we will print 2 to the console. And then we can add the return statement. And then finally, we'll add the print method after the switch loop to test the statement. So let's run the code. And both of the print methods are executed and the messages are displayed. Now, because break is used to exit a switch statement, the second print method is executed, right? So let's change the value of variable k with 2, and let's run the code. So now only the first method in the second case is executed, and this message is displayed. Because the return statement is used to exit the current method. So the second print method is not executed. Okay, so let's try to use the return statement in Anywhere. Let's declare a variable bool with Boolean type, so its initial value is true. And in the print method, we'll write in before the return. So if bool means that the condition is true, then we add the return statement. And then we can add the second print method that includes this statement will not be executed. Let's run the code. Only the first method is executed and the message is displayed, because the compiler ignores every statement after the return in the same method. All right.